Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to install a bicycle rack on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Now the first thing you're going to have to install is a hitch, or a trailer hitch, that goes underneath the car bumper. This particular model is Draw-Tite, and the model number is 75896. Have a look. I purchased this hitch from etrailers.com, link in the description. And there's a video exactly showing how to install this hitch. As we look underneath, there are 6 bolts, 1, 2, 3 on the driver's side, and then another 6 bolts, 1, 2, 3 on the passenger side. Now to install the hitch, you're going to have to remove the spare tire and take off the rear passenger and rear driver's side plastic panel. And once you take off the panel, it exposes the rail from the car frame. You can mount these screws. So total of 1, 2, 3 on the driver's side, and 1, 2, 3 on the passenger side. And you have to lower the exhaust pipe by install this metal bracket. Here's the installation for the hitch. This is the diagram of the hitch. As you can see, there are a total of 6 screws, 3 on the left side and 3 on the right side, plus this metal bracket. After the hitch is installed, we can install the bike rack. I have all the components taken off the box. This particular one is from Amazon, brand TUFFIOM, model BHR-4B. First step, you're going to take this I shape and fit it into the L shape like that, and use these 2 screws to put it through these 2 holes. And on this I shape piece, make sure the bottom is solid, and on the other side this is hollow. Now we're going to install the lower bolt. Using a 14mm socket, we can tighten this nut. And on the other side, we hold it still and tighten. You can also use a 9/16 wrench to hold the other side, stop from spinning. Next, we're gonna take this clevis pin and run it through, open it up first, and run it through the upper hole. And bring it in, close it like that. Now, we're going to lay the 2 pieces on the floor like this shape. And we're going to insert the mask into this L shape too. And use these 2 bolts. Make sure you use a spring washer. Same thing, use 14mm wrench or 5/16 and start tightening it. Now it should look like this. Next step, we can insert the bike rack into the hitch socket. It fits perfectly. Now we can take this U-shaped bolt, fit it through this hole through the hitch, and on the other side it comes with this metal bracket. Simply just fit it through the other end like so, and using 2 washers and 14mm nut, and here's how it will look like after you secure the bolt. As you can see, this U-shaped piece coming through the hitch and loop around like so. And we almost have our bike rack ready for a try. Pin to the bottom position, and this will prevent the rack from moving. And when you are ready to use the mast to put the bicycle on, you can move it to the horizontal position and push the clevis pin through and secure the pin from the other side like that. Now you can see the rack is fixed in place. The rack can hold up to 4 bicycles, and to secure the bicycle, simply just loop around the clips through this hole. Like that. Here's how it looks like with 2 bicycles mounted. As you can see, there's still room to fit 2 additional bicycles. Overall, I think this is worth buying. And the rack is quite secure, so once you secure the bicycle, it will be difficult for it to shift. These are heavy duty parts. I think it will definitely hold. And last tip, when you're opening the trunk, make sure you take off this safety pin and position the rack at the angle. Then you can open and close the trunk. As you can see, the clearance for the trunk is quite wide. You definitely need to have this lowered whenever you're opening the trunk. Thanks for watching.